must be in a hurry to get home. Oh, that makes someone wonder. Where do bugs live? Let's find out. Oh, it sounds like a bug living in the drawer. Is there any bugs in there? Where do spiders live? An ice cream cone? A cloud? Or a web?
A web!
Yeah, spiders live in a web. Where do ants live? A shoe? The moon? Or the ground?
The ground!
Where do bees live? A hive? A birthday cake? Or a bonnet?
A hive!
Bees live in hives. Where do twitterbugs live? A computer? A bowl of spaghetti? Or Ernie's window box?
Ernie's window box!
Yeah, the twitterbugs live in Ernie's window box.
Oh, I wonder what the Twiddlebugs are up to today. Hark! Do I hear singing?
Twiddle,